Welcome back to our channel. At our Senpu acrylic factory, we take pride in offering a range of distinctive services that set us apart in the industry. With a commitment to excellence and innovation, we cater to diverse needs with precision and creativity. One of our standout services is custom acrylic custom. Whether it's a complex architectural design, special signage, or unique displays, we specialize in turning ideas into tangible acrylic creations. Our team of skilled craftsmen and engineers ensures each piece is meticulously crafted to exact specifications, ensuring both functionality and aesthetic appeal. In addition to fabrication, we excel in acrylic molding and casting. Utilizing advanced techniques and state-of-the-art equipment, we can produce seamless acrylic forms that meet the most demanding requirements, from prototypes to large-scale production runs. Our capabilities in molding allow us to deliver high-quality results efficiently. We also offer comprehensive acrylic machining services. With precision CNC equipment and experienced operators, we can achieve intricate cuts, shapes, and finishes with unparalleled accuracy. Whether it's drilling, milling, or polishing, our machining capabilities ensure that every detail is executed flawlessly. Furthermore, our factory provides value-added services such as UV bonding and edge polishing. These techniques enhance the durability and visual appeal of acrylic products, making them suitable for diverse applications including retail environments, museums, and architectural installations. Beyond technical expertise, our commitment to customer satisfaction is paramount. We work closely with clients throughout the project lifespan, from initial concept development to final installation. Our responsive customer service ensures clear communication, timely deliveries, and solutions that exceed expectations. Senpu Acrylic Factory stands as a leader in providing exceptional services tailored to diverse industries. Whether you need custom manufacturing, precision machining, or innovative design solutions, we are here to transform your ideas into reality with craftsmanship and reliability.